This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Make sure your phone supports the LTE bands your carrier uses and the SIM has an active data plan. Once confirmed, install the OnlyWay app and grant it the permissions it requests. Location and phone state are necessary so the app can toggle modem settings. Make sure to back up your APN and network settings now. This prevents losing custom entries later. Now open the app and proceed to the network control screen to begin forcing 4G only. In the app, pick the correct SIM slot if you run dual SIM, so changes apply to the right radio. Next, choose any specific LTE band only if the app exposes that option. Otherwise, enable the 4G only toggle and apply. You'll see the modem re-register and signal bars adjust. Wait a few moments for full service. If the switch stalls, toggle airplane mode on and off to force the radio to reconnect. Then re-enable mobile data so apps resume normal traffic. Finish by confirming connectivity. Load a couple of web pages and run a quick speed test to ensure you're on LTE speeds. If you see carrier-related errors or no data, restore your backed-up APN or switch the app back to automatic mode. Some carriers require specific APN values. If problems persist, reboot the phone so the modem fully reinitializes. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device will not re-register, revert to default network settings and contact your carrier to confirm LTE provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.